Alright, so let's see, the time's about 3:30. Weatherman says it's gonna rain here in a little bit, so I might as well get one video up. I haven't put a video up in a while. Normal lakes or normal ponds that I usually fish, and just wanted to be kind of close to my apartment in case it does start coming down on me. I can get to my truck real quick and just get home. But just want to tell you what's going on here, and I haven't really told y'all how this pond fishes. As you can see, hopefully, there's a lot of grass, and it even goes out towards the middle. And the only luck I've ever had really in this pond is on flukes, Senkos, trick worms, all weightless. And they don't seem to come up for topwater. So that's why you always see me out here fishing flukes, Senkos, something. And there are some huge fish in here. I've seen them. This is a pond that I came out during the spawn and I saw a fish well over 8 pounds, 9 pounds. And didn't catch her, but we've caught a few 6s out of here. There's 4 ponds in this neighborhood. They all fish different, which is nice. That's why I come here a lot. Thought I had a fish. But yeah, so I think here in a few videos or two, I'm gonna start doing instructional videos, start telling you what baits I use, when I use them, what I look for in the water. Now this one's kind of open, there's grass everywhere, so you just kind of throw it out there and hope for the best. But there's other ponds where I actually pinpoint some areas and hope for the best. But yeah, so stay tuned, and hopefully I catch a few fish for you before this rain comes. That's a really nice fish for this pond. Holy crap. Look at this. That's awkward. Where's he coming undone? There you go. This fish. It's nice. I think I found out how they're hitting it. It's 3 hits in a row. Just caught this one though. It's a good 3-pounder. 3.5. Closer to 3 though. So yeah. Nice fish. I don't have my pliers. Left them in Lakeland. I was hoping this wouldn't happen today. I'm just gonna have to put them back. Don't have my pliers with me. I don't have any hooks, so actually I'm going to try to get this out. Hold on. There it is, there it is. Alright. Wow, that was clutch. Alright, now that I'm back, an interesting fact about myself is I don't know if you guys ever notice, I'm kind of hesitant of grabbing the fish when it's flopping around. I'm actually slightly allergic to the bass and their slime. Hey look, there's a cop. But yeah, if they poke me with their spines or even just the teeth, scratch me, and any of my soft parts of my skin, like here is itching like crazy, here's itching like crazy, and later if I don't wash my hands if I rub my eyes before I rub my hands, my eyes get super itchy and my nose starts running like crazy. I cannot breathe. So that's just a little interesting fact. That's why I'm kind of hesitant of grabbing fish sometimes, and that's why I was hesitant of reaching in that fish's mouth to get the hook out without my pliers. So they're starting to get a little inflamed here. But yeah. Man, he choked that. He is skinny, skinny, skinny. There's a better look at it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to get a little bumpy. They kind of look like mosquito bites, actually. That's my hand right there now. All inflamed from that stupid fish. That was cool. I saw him come up and flash on it. He just landed straight on his side. That was kind of funny. There you go. Oh, that was the funniest noise ever. That fish hit me while I was taking out my little rat's nest I got. Thought I completely missed him too. Dog has a weird bark. fluke is torn up. You guys can't see it because of the wind, but there's some little floating grass mats out there, and I'm throwing in there and letting it sink down a little bit and just working it constantly out of there. That first one obviously hit me on the drop while I was taking the rat's nest out of my line. That one hit me right when I got it outside of that little grass mat. There's about one there. There's about 10 thrown out in the middle there. See if I can't catch another one out of there. Alright, not as a productive day as I wished for, but I'm glad we're getting some rain. This is actually like the first time in 2 weeks that Central Florida's gotten rain. And these ponds have been getting pounded with 90-degree weather and just straight sun. So I think that's why fishing's been really slow. Water heated up really, really fast. That was weird. But yeah, hopefully this rain cools off the water just a tad, and I'm hoping for a good frog topwater bite here soon. So hopefully I get some more fish on the whopper plopper and some hollow body frogs. That'll be a really cool video if I do get some good fish on that. And like I said earlier, I'm going to start doing more instructional videos, not just straight fishing. Obviously I'm going to be fishing while doing it, but I'm going to be telling you guys how I'm doing it, what I'm using, my technique, what I use in certain situations, what I pinpoint when I'm looking at stuff in the water, like out there. But yeah, so stay tuned for those videos, and thanks for watching.